Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's. Today we're going to take a look at our glove box knob for the 61 to 66 F Series trucks. Interior plastic parts deteriorate over time, as is the case with the glove box knobs on the 61 to 66 Ford trucks. Dennis Carpenter, the industry leader in Ford restoration parts, has authentically reproduced these knobs for these classic trucks. Made from specially formulated plastic compounds, they are an exact reproduction of the Ford original. They come complete with the white insert and the attaching screw for a trouble-free installation. Give your project that factory fresh look by adding these finishing touches to your restoration. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.